Bitcoin recently reclaimed the $110,000 plus level after a volatile stretch, trading around that mark as of now. But that isn't the full story. After hitting highs earlier this month above $126,000, Bitcoin pulled back and is now trading between key support and resistance zones, namely the 200-day moving average, around $100,367. The recent 2 to 3% drop in a 24-hour window reflects not a collapse, but a market that's undergoing consolidation, resetting, and managing excess leverage. One of the major reasons for the current correction is the broader macro and structural shifts affecting crypto. For example, Bitcoin ETFs have seen large outflows, about $1 billion over the past 4 days, as investor confidence pulled back in the face of renewed uncertainty and heightened market volatility. At the same time, global regulatory bodies are sounding alarms. Financial Stability Board, FSB, has flagged significant gaps in how crypto assets, especially stablecoins, are regulated across jurisdictions, which also adds to cautious sentiment. On a positive note, institutional adoption continues to show signs of strength, especially when looking at longer-term flows. Global crypto ETFs recorded a record $5.95 billion in inflows during the week ending October 4th, with Bitcoin alone attracting over $3.5 billion. This suggests the big money narrative hasn't disappeared. It's just shifting gears. What this means right now is that Bitcoin is in a kind of pause and prepare mode rather than a full retreat. If it can hold the $107,000 level and reclaim $112,000 with conviction, volume backing and sentiment improvement, then the bull case remains intact and a run toward new highs could be on the table. However, if it breaks below $100,000, then the risk of a deeper test of support increases. Watching Bitcoin also means watching the broader market. When BTC moves, it often pulls altcoins and DeFi tokens along. So Bitcoin's ability to hold up impacts a lot more than just itself. It influences market sentiment across the crypto space. Thanks for tuning in to this Bitcoin update. What are your thoughts? Do you think Bitcoin is setting up for another leg higher? Or is it time to brace for further consolidation before the next push? Drop your take in the comments below.